Hey there, YouTube. Okay, so this here is the surround that goes around the drink holders in the 97 to '03 F-150. Maybe some other vehicles as well. But see what happens to it over the years. It curls up and it separates from the plastic. And the only thing holding it on are these two parts here. And then this material is tucked underneath, basically tucked underneath all of this. And then when this gets clipped on to the center console, compresses it down and it holds it in place. But with heat and keeping your arm on it over the years and everything else, well, so a lot of people, what they do is they pull this piece off and then they drill holes like I started to. Then they use a little screwdriver and pry all these out of there to get it off. You know what? I just said hell with it. I just broke it all out of there. It's, you know, even if I were to use this, and get it down, it's still gonna look dated. Oh, that car sounded like shit. Charger makes a lot of noise but don't go anywhere. Anyways, so here's this piece they're selling on eBay. It's brand new. It's not padded like the original, because the original's padded. This isn't padded. This is a solid, you know, hard, rigid piece, but it has a texture in it. It has all the factory mounting points and clips on it here. And they say they use color pellets to mold this piece, so it's not going to fade or anything because it's this color throughout. So anyways, that's what I'm going to put on. Looks like a good match on the color. Go ahead and see how it goes on there. Alright, so here's what it looks like after I remove that piece there. Of course, the console opens there. This flips up, so it's like a back to a jump seat too. So this should just pop right on there. It's a nice match, I'll give them that. It's definitely a nice match. Yeah, looks like it should just pop right in place, nothing more to do. So let's give it a try. Try to do this on camera here. Doesn't look like there's any sequence it has to go on or anything. There we go. I just wanted to get the whole thing on camera. Alright, see what it looks like. It's a pretty darn good match right there. See how it fits around the edges here. Yeah, looks nice. Alright, so this part, they're selling it on eBay. There's a few different people. But as far as I can tell, it's all the same piece. What I'll do is when I upload this video, I'll go ahead and try to include a link. And if I don't include the link, I'll at least give you the name of the eBay seller. Because this came to me like in 2 days, super fast. And, you know, I even sent him a question. He got back to me right away and everything. So I'm pretty happy with that. That looks way better than the other one. That looks pretty legit right there. All right, guys. Take care.